Wait. What do you like about this girl? I mean, there's like a lot of things. I'd probably start with.
I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Yeah. Baby, it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters.
Very nice.
I should tell her now, would I ever? It is my
Hi guys, and welcome to the last episode of my travel diary. Yes, it was very unfortunate that we are going to end this one because I believe in life everything has its own ending. Oh, sad. But anyways, so this vlog where I featured our educational tour. So for today, we are going to Baon and Baguio as our last destination for our tour itinerary. Yes po, we had like a quick trip lang po to Baguio. Side trip lang po siya ng aming educational tour. So, watch, sit back, and relax po. If you happen to notice that I had a lot of clips of the road, well, it's because that the road view going to Baguio is so fancy. I just can't help taking videos, especially that I'm a first timer. And it just feels so nostalgic to look back on these clips in the future years to come. Actually, on the way, since elevated nga yung papuntang Baguio, I had the muffled ears like I had experienced when I was riding on an airplane during our flight. Alam mo yun, yung parang nabibingi ka. Plus, my butt hurts from sitting for like how many hours since galing pa nga kaming metro. But it was bearable din naman since we are entertained with a few people from our bus who actually lend their voices to sing. And mind you, they were like singing from our last bus stop, which is nung sa Pangasinan pa kami to Baguio. Ganon po sila hatinding kumanta. Opo.
Oh shit! Once upon a time that was having my life. Now there's only love in God. And I can sing for the bliss of the
You know if you wanna be my one and only all my life. Loving you before each and every night. Nalalaso, Santong Kabayo, natatawa ko sa'yo. Ano po mga rookies sa front desk? Mamaya kasi may kasama kayo ng night market na nasa labas pa.
Hi! Ano? Salman Patit. Hindi ko ba?
Ano naman group nyo, di ba? Oo, nag-apat. First one. Girls, boys. Bas ko muna, bas.
Tambalay! Hi! Wala eh!
So, balik tayo?
Balik na balik!
Wala ka na ka.
Aday sila dua.
Why ko yung kapatid?
Hindi mo daman nga.
Picture. Hi. We're going home. Charot lang. Baguio tour. Baguio tour. We're having a quick room tour before we go.
Alternative for the main population is conception. Kaya kadalasan ang population may conception because that is the alternative of population. Ano meron sa baba? Asin. Asin. Kasi ginagamit nila ang asin sa pag-preserve ng karne. Asin. They're using it to preserve. So, dito sa bundok, hindi nila nakilala ang mga Kastila. Hindi nakapasok. So, karamihan sa mga lindahan dito sa upper land, sa highland, ay animism. There are the people who believes in Bathala, Anito, Diwata. Kaya nga po, may makikita kayong mga sculptures na tawagin ay mga bulbul. Bulbul. Ano yung mga bulbul? Mga rebultong kahoy, matawag na bulbul. Sila yung pinaniniwalaan ng mga guardians of the rice field, guardians of the rice paddies, mountains, nagabantay nila yan. At nakikita natin dito, siguro naman alam niyo yung pagkakaiba ng kanilang mga tahanan. May nakita ang babae sa kabilang pinagbo na gustuhan. So ano ginawa? Ini-align sila doon sa kanilang katapangan. Sige, that's why that park is called Burnham Park, named after Daniel Burnham. Siya yung nag-design ng lugar. So ano pa nilagay ni Daniel Burnham? Ang tagal ng biyahe. So gusto buha sila siya. May mga aeroplano naman sila, di ba? So, we are now here at PMU. Magkakaroon lamang ng checking. Ipapatabi muna tayo ng sundalo. Kasi checkpoint po. Titingnan ko yung mga nakachinelas. Wala naman may dalang drugs. Kasi minsan pinapakit yung aso yung kinin for inspection. Narinig niyo yan? Nakita niyo yan? Ano sinasabi nila? Alam niyo kung ano sinasabi nila? Tinatanong sa sila ng kanilang upperclassmen. Sino yung nakaupo sa kaliwa pangatlo? I-recite mo yun. Ano pangalan niya? Apelido niya, sports niya, hobby niya, favorite color niya, favorite music niya. Ganun mo sila kakilala. Okay? Mamaya natin tuloy yan.
One minute po na boys, 1 minute.
Bago ng tangke. Sinayagin. Ito lang ginawa niya. Na makita na ibabaw ng tangke. Pagpa-picture, this is a 50 caliber anti-aircraft machine gun na naka-install sa harapan ng BRP barko na BRP. Okay? Pwede kayong makita dito, pwede magpa-picture. Ayan, nagagalaw yan.
Maniguro ako ng ano pa po ay.
Gusto pa ni ma'am ito. another hall of sessions of Constitutional Convention here in Baguio City. So
After we went to Philippine Military Academy, we then dropped by to the mansion for a quick photo op, and then nagproceed na po kami sa Mines View Park. Dito, na-miss po talaga ako sa ganda ng view, as in, and mahangin po siya. Ang ganda po ng weather na pupunta po namin doon. And just look at that. It's amazing, right? It's beautiful. It's very calming to see. And then I got to experience riding a horse. It was my first time kasi napapicture po kami dyan ng mga kaibigan ko. And then we started to buy some pasalubong. Mostly we hoard some strawberry jams and yung mga 7 for 100 nilang binibenta doon. So cheap, yeah. And for lunch, it was very delicious all the time. Actually, all throughout this trip, yung lunch po talaga yung pinaka-best meal. So after our lunch, off we go to La Trinidad, and yes, we passed by the famous Ballet of Colors, or known as the Colors of Santo Bosa. We just only took a glimpse of it since we can park the bus along the road. That is why we don't have any reason to stay na po.
type of housing design yung ginawang design. Dito rin po yung huling ng mga episode ni Cardo Dalisay.
This is so beautiful.
Ayun, yun. Sila nag-shoot. Mga huling episode sa Cardo Dalisay.
Wow, color black na
Yan. Ang probinsyano.
La Trinidad is renowned for its strawberry farming, kaya naman iyan ang pinunta namin dito. While everyone was busy hoarding their pasalubong, Bebo and I decided to enter their farm, and si auntie niya girl na windang po sa price ng fresh handpicking ng strawberries nila because it cost around 700 per kilo, or yung small basket. But as someone who doesn't like strawberries, I don't mind at all. I just bought yung binibenta nila dun sa labas ng farm because it's much cheaper. Kaya I bought a lot for my family. What I was actually looking forward is buying their own vegetables. Yung binibenta nilang fresh vegetables. But I don't think na pwede yun sa airport. Kaya wala rin. Sad.
Ambala niya, what?
Later that afternoon, we went back to the city at binigyan kami ng time to stroll around, so we decided to go sa SM Baguio. Indeed, this mall does not need any air condition kasi mahangin po siya.
Ako nga. Lakan ni Herb.
Boy, ebe!
Sige na.
Uy, ito! Nagkatos na. Kita mo lang sa escalator, ito pala.
Ari, mayo lang. Nagligid-ligid? Pero before gala yung sa arap kita sa piyang kapay. Din?
Hey!
Moto nakita ko sa babaw.
And just like that, our quick Baguio trip ended as we went back to Metro, but surely I'll be back for more. It's around 12 a.m. when we reached Naiya Terminal 2 and everyone was so tired and sleepy and ako nalipasan na din ng gutom because we haven't had our dinner. Ang chaotic nung nasa labas kami ng airport. Everyone was packing their pasalubong and weighing their carry-on bags para hindi kami mag-overpack. Plus, after we check-in, palipat-lipat pa kami ng boarding gate kasi we had a delayed flight. Ang lagkit na nung feeling ko dyan. From Baguio to airport pa kasi yung outfit ni Anthony.
Muna na yung bakal niya.
Our actual boarding time was 3 a.m. and I am expecting to land in Iloilo City by 4 a.m. However, mag-aalas 5 na po niya ng umaga, so I got to experience my first ever delayed flight. So, linibak ko na lang po dyan yung sarili ko kasi marami po akong energy that time kasi nakatulog naman ako sa biyahe from Baguio.
Ako hindi, di bibati on me.
Hi guys! Hi guys! Welcome to vlogging! Hi guys! Dislike yun, subscribe ko yun.
Ay, kadlo-kadlo mo yung isa ko. Kadlo-kadlo mo niyo. Pati si Ria, me.
Hi si Ria!
Laway si Dad. Laway si
Magandang umaga mga minamahal namin panauhin. Ito po ang AirAsia Flight C2306 patungong Iloilo.
It was sad that our 5-day trip ended so quickly, and I couldn't grasp up until this moment how sentimental it was for me. It was tiring, yet it was worth the first time. This whole trip will forever hold a spot to my core memory. My heart was truly delighted and very grateful to be able to experience such tour, and with this, of course, the credits will all go in acknowledging my parents' sacrifices and efforts just to send me in this tour. Well, thank you so much, fam. I love you so much, especially Papa. Despite the hurdles, he was able to send me to this one. Thank you so much. And to the people who have made and still watching this far, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!